Hey guys, it's Desiree with WTI, and have you ever had a lamp on your desk that maybe is not bright enough, or maybe quite the opposite, it is too bright and you wish you could dim it? Well, then you definitely need to get this light from AXX Lighting. Not only is it a perfect desk lamp that has 3 settings from dim to bright, it also has a pen holder at the base, so I'm able to add in pens and pencils and scissors all in within a arm's reach for my daughter, and it has more bonuses. It is also a gooseneck, so the light can be adjusted to whatever area she needs to use it, maybe on her laptop, on her iPad, for reading a book. It can go so many different ways. And then it has that little phone holder, so she's able to place her phone there in case she needs to use any app on there or maybe the calculator. And it is all on one spot, so that way I don't have multiple things taking up so much space on her small desk. So this desk will have enough space with this light. So if you're looking for the perfect solution to light your way, then this is the lamp that's going to do that. And it comes in this beautiful pink color, which my daughter absolutely loves, and I do also. So make sure and check out the AXX light, but that's just my point of view.